In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right edits app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll uninstall the app. To get started, head to your smartphone, and if you are on Android like me, just go to Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you need to look for App Store. Once you have opened, search for your app. So I'll just search for edits like that. So search for your app. And as you can see, here is our app. So Edits is a video editing app from Instagram. To make sure that you are on the right app, make sure it is from Instagram. And this is the app Edits Video Editor. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews. The file size is around 102, so it's quite huge. You'll need enough space, and averagely this file has been downloaded over 50 million times. If you see these details and the logo, then you know that you have the right app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Edits Video Editor and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you can open it, and this is the welcoming interface. It is from Meta, as you can see here. So that's how you can install the right Edits app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.